Hello friends, I am your host Prem CV and you are watching Edu9 English. Today's topic is something that touches the heart of every engineering aspirant, especially those who could not get into IITs or feel that private colleges are just too expensive. So in this video, we are going to talk about the top 5 non-IIT engineering colleges in India that offer great education, fantastic placement, and most importantly, affordable fees. These are hidden gems, colleges that don't often get the limelight like IITs or NITs, but when it comes to return on investment, they give tough competition to even the top institutes. Stick around till the end of this video because the last college on our list is a total game changer. We were honestly blown away by its placement record. Let's dive right in. Starting with the number 5 on our list is JNTU Hyderabad. This university is a household name in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Established in 1972, it's one of the most oldest and most respected engineering universities in southern India. The best part is it's a government-run institution, which means the fee structure is extremely student-friendly. For an entire 4-year BTech degree, the total fees are approximately 1 lakh. That's less than what many private coaching institutes charge for just 1 year of JEE preparation. Placements are solid too. The average package is 4.5 lakh per annum and the highest package goes up to 12 lakh per annum. Admission is typically through TSEAM set or JEE mains. So if you are a student from Telangana or Andhra, this college should definitely be on your radar. Coming at number 4 in the University College of Engineering under Osmania College, also located in Hyderabad. This college dates back to the British era and one of the oldest engineering colleges in India. The campus spans over 200 acres and the infrastructure reflects both history and modernity. Admission here is through TSEM set and the total fees range between 2 to 4 lakhs per annum depending on the branch. Now let's talk about the real deal placements. The average package here is 6.5 lakh per annum and the highest package has touched 24 lakh per annum in recent years. Recruiters including big names like Oracle, MathWorks and DE Show. So if you are looking for government college with great placement support, this one deserves serious consideration. Next on the list is Jamia Millia Islamia, Delhi. Many people wrongly assume it's a religious minority institute, but it's actually a central government university open to students of all backgrounds. And what a college it is, ranked 3 overall in India by NIRF and 26 in engineering. Jamia offers one of the highest return on investment in the entire country. How? Well, the total BTech fee is only 5,000 for 4 years. Yes, you heard it right. Yet the average placement package is 11 lakh per annum and the highest package touches 25 lakh per annum. Admission is through JEE mains and if you can get in, you are in for elite level education at literally zero cost. It's one of the most underrated institution in the country. Number 2 in our list is NSUT, previously known as NSIT, located in the heart of Delhi. This college has gained massive popularity in the past decade and with the beautiful 145 acres campus, strong academic culture and growing alumni network, NSUT stands tall among the top non-IIT institutions. Admission here is via JEE mains and JAC Delhi counseling. The total fees is around 3 lakh to 3.5 lakh per annum, which is quite reasonable considering the opportunities. And here comes to a big surprise, the average placement package is 12 lakh per annum and the highest package has gone up to 1.25 crores. Companies like Google, Microsoft, Adobe and Amazon regularly hire from here. This is a dream college for many in Delhi NCR and rightly so. At the top of our list is none other than Javedpur University, located in Kolkata, West Bengal. This college is a legend, often ranked just behind IITs in terms of academic excellence. It's a state government university and the fees are shockingly low, between 40,000 to 50,000 for the entire course. And when it comes to placement, Javedpur University is on another level. The average package is 23 lakh per annum and the highest package has reached 85 lakh per annum. In fact, over 35 students receive package of 40 lakhs per annum, and more than 100 students gets between 35 to 40 lakh per annum. These numbers are even better than many IITs, and if you are from West Bengal or nearby states, this is the college to aim for through the WBJEE exam. Now, before we wrap up, here is a bonus tip for all engineering aspirants. Whether your fees are low or high, whether you are in IIT or non-IIT, your placement preparation should begin from one day. A good college gives you a platform, but it's your own skill, projects, internships, and communication that land you on the job. So, friends, those were the top 5 best non IIT engineering colleges in India with low fees and high placements. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Edu9 English for more such powerful educational content. And let me know in the comments which of these colleges impressed you the most, or if there is a specific college you would like to me to review in the next video, just drop the name below. This is Prem Sirvi signing off. See you in the next video. Thank you.